grace alone, unconditional love. Though I wandered far from His arms, yet He calls to me so tenderly, arms open wide. Oh, how could I ever turn away when all I can feel every day? Never-ending mercy and grace, unconditional love. Life is full of ups and downs. I know you've been there too. At times we're happy, deserts are mending. That's the pattern of life. We may comfort each other and give them hope for a day, but we ourselves hide the pain that eat away deep inside us. If we hold to His word and His unfailing love, He will hold you together and see you through. His grace alone, God's grace alone, unconditional love. Though I wandered far from His arms,